Tnat Pule Puthi kami khalia kala Pyntikna baka Pisa na Bynta ki Skul sorkar bat ki Skul bala ai jingarap da ka sorkar la perlaj ha kapor ka Biang wat ha pedeng ki ki bami teng hakaliang ki core technology karukom trekam ka bakerpang kaput dien ya ka Jingpyllait Pisa ha kapor ka Biang da ka bishar bania man na bunai ban Pyntikna bagi Jingpyllait Pisa kilong ki bayat bed ya renti Tnat kala persyang shibun kilat kilenti ban Pyntikna babaro ki Pisa na Bynta ki Skul sorkar ladap ban perlaj krem dapan slam ki Skul bayok jingarap na ka sorkar ki bayok Pisa shisian hakalai benai ladap mang Pisa hadu ubenai no pra bat lapen stat ru ya ki Jingpyllait Pisa na Bynta chongki wat la lalap ki jing thut teng namar ka jingkala kinong tre ka Jingpyllait ya ki Pisa barok kawe kalong ka bayat bet ya renti.
This PM Poshan scheme is basically a scheme of Government of India. It's a centrally sponsored scheme which provides for meals to be given in government and government aided schools for pre-primary and for the class 1 to 8 students which are there. So basically this has been going on for quite some time. For many years earlier it was known as the midday meal scheme. Now it is known as the PM Poshan scheme. So more or less the facilities remain the same. The food grains are provided by the FCI, and we are from the department, from the scheme, the payments are made to FCI, and then cooking costs are provided to the school, using which they buy vegetables, they buy other things which are required for cooking, which is like cooking oil, etc., etc.
Ka Jingpyllait kam jang kami